You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.
Hey guys, I'm Maya Bradley and welcome back to my channel. So I want to say thank you to all of you that subscribe to my channel. I now have 116 subscribers. And I am so grateful to you guys because I was happy when I got to 30 subscribers, and so I can't even believe that I'm at 116 now. So I'm so grateful to you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into this video. In today's video, we are discussing, reviewing the Necessaire body product. This is the Necessaire The Body Ritual. So this comes with the Necessaire Body Exfoliator, the Eucalyptus scent, the Necessaire Body Wash and Eucalyptus, and the Body Serum and the Body Lotion are fragrance free. I don't think for the travel kit they offered the other fragrances. I was kind of hoping they did. I wanted to try some of their other scents, but we'll get into all those things in a second. I just want to first show you what each product looks like in the box. So they're about this size, which I felt like is pretty good. Now for the exfoliator, I'm already gonna let you know, I really like this product so far. I think it's very gentle on the skin. If you haven't checked out my previous video, I kind of compared the Dove exfoliating polish to the Tree Hut sugar scrub. And with the Dove exfoliating polish, I said it's really nice. It was like only $5.99, $1 or $2 cheaper than the Tree Hut, both affordable brands. But the Dove exfoliating polish was very soft. It was more gentle on the skin. The Tree Hut is very rough, and I like to kind of use that in my lower regions to really get the dead skin cells removed so I can not get any razor bumps. So I would say this Necessaire Body Exfoliator is very gentle on the skin. It feels nice. You don't need a lot. I saw a review and she was like, you don't need a lot, and I was like, girl, you tripping. I'm gonna need enough, like 3 squirts just to do one arm. She was right. You don't need a lot, and I really like this. So the eucalyptus scent is very faint. It's not strong, it's not too empowering. Smells very clean, and I have no issues with it. My only thing is, like, for an exfoliator it's good. For a body wash, I like more, I like products that smell like really good. Like, I walk past you like, girl, what do you have on? That's that peony rose, that's that pumpkin spice, that's that coffee. You know, some scents that are just like boom, but like smell good. Does that make sense? Like, this scent is just like, okay, you smell good, but it's not gonna stay on your body. Does that make sense? So let's talk about the Necessaire exfoliator with more information. So the exfoliator is offered in, they have a fragrance-free eucalyptus like this one, bergamot, and sandalwood. And from the reviews I've seen, the sandalwood and like the bergamot, I think that's how you say it, they are kind of unisex scents. I mean, eucalyptus is too, but they're like more woodsy, masculine type of scents, but I want to smell it for myself because I have no idea what those scents smell like, because different brands will be like, this is sandalwood, and it's like, that don't smell like how I thought it was going to smell, you know what I mean? So the body exfoliator totals to be $30, and it's 6.1 fluid ounces, and the travel size is 2.4 fluid ounces. So you can use it weekly, 1 or 2 times a week, as desired, is what they say. Massage for foam and rinse well. So it's good for keratosis pilaris, if that's how you say it. Mine's not good with words, as we know. For uneven texture, that's me. Uneven tone, that's me. The treatment, it has bamboo charcoal, pumice, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. So really good, like AHA, BHA exfoliating treatment. which is really good because we use that on our face, and so we also kind of want to take care of our body as well. We don't want to just find all the skincare products that are like, oh, this is really good for my face, and then put something on your body that you found from the dollar store that you know has these really harsh ingredients on it. You know, not all products at the dollar store, I'm just saying. Okay, don't come at me. I'd like it on a discounted price. Do you get what I'm saying? I don't know, because I also like Lush, and Lush can be expensive, right? So, but they're making that stuff, I mean, back in the kitchen from scratch. I think that's what they say, so I believe them. So it's like, guys, I mean, what are you guys thinking? You know what I mean? So I like it, okay? I like it. We're gonna put this at number 1. The next product I have is their body wash. I don't know if you can see, it has been used, it's loved. A little of this goes a long, long way. And this is only, let's see on the box here, 3.4 fluid ounces. So I like that it's it makes me feel bougie, guys. I wish they all like shower gels, stuff like that, and body washes had the little screw, and then you just kind of pour it onto you, and then you close it back up, instead of just going like this, because I've been really taking care of my nails lately, like my actual nails, and to go like this, I like grab my towel and I'll go like that, because I'm like, I don't want to break a nail. I don't want to break a nail, but this is, oh my, it got some wash on it, girl. Should have cleaned that up. Oh, they also tell you when it expires in 12 months. So it's also that little, it's like a little pot icon, little lid open. It says 12M. But eucalyptus, and all the products come in all of those 4 kind of scents, the fragrance-free, sandalwood, bergamot, and eucalyptus. So really like this body wash. Really like it. I feel like it's really good on the skin, and I feel like it's $25. It'll last you. I feel like it's definitely worth $25, actually. 100%. I feel, my skin feels, it doesn't feel dehydrated after I use it. There's some body washes, like Bath and Body Works, that kind of will dry out your skin. It's like you're really just using this because it smells good. But I really like this, the Necessaire body wash, the Raw Sugar body wash, and the Method Peony Rose body washes. They don't leave my skin feeling just dry. I think I'm gonna put this at number 1, and then the exfoliator number 2. I'm just not with the $30 price. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. But it's nice, right? Okay, so the last 2 products. Okay, we got the Necessaire the Body Serum, and then the Necessaire Body Lotion. Okay, so this is why I'm doing these products together. The Body Serum is $45, and it's basically hyaluronic acid. You hydrate, replenish, plump up the skin, apply all over the body or in areas where you need increased hydration when needed, and then you follow, or you can mix with a moisturizer. Is it worth $45, like the full size? Remember, this is the travel size. No. Okay. I'm a black woman. I don't know if you could tell that, through the camera. I'm a black woman, and not all black women have dry skin, okay, but I have dry skin. But all black women need to make sure that they moisturize and not look ashy. All right, so this is also what I had an issue with their body lotion, which is moisturize, nourish, strengthen, multivitamin, right? And this is $25, which is interesting. It has niacinamide, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-6, omega-9. This don't even moisturize my dry hands. I don't know. Okay, this is for someone that says they have dry skin, but they really, really don't. Like, Nivea is better than this, and it's way cheaper. Like, I just felt like, look, I just felt like I was like, where is the moisture? Where is it? That's how I felt. And the serum, I didn't feel like it helped anything. I felt like oils moisturize me more than this. I wanted to try their body oil, but I didn't want to pay that price, no way. But I felt like oils moisturize me more than this. I felt like I've had other lotions, even when I mix the two of these together, guys, it was like my skin was like a little shiny because of the hyaluronic acid. That's what it's called, right? Yeah, the hyaluronic acid, but it was like ashy still. I don't know if that makes sense. It was like a shiny ash to it. And so people that aren't black, brown, dark skin, you might like these products. I saw a girl in her vlog, she's like, I really love these two products. They just make my skin feel so soft, and I have dry skin. I was like, girl, you do not have dry skin, because this don't not moisturize it good enough. I feel like they need to come up. I would be down for Necessaire, because I do like their company. I like what they stand for. I do like their exfoliator. I like their body wash. They should come up with some type of like oil-based like body butter or something like that for people that need more moisture, right? And yeah, you could probably put the body oil with this lotion, but this lotion is just not my favorite. So I don't know if you guys have tried Necessaire. What are your thoughts on it? And would I purchase it again? For sure, the body wash exfoliator. I think everyone needs that and should try it. And I'm gonna see if the trial size or the travel size is still on Sephora's website, because it's good. It's good to purchase that. And I forgot to say the lotion was 2.4 fluid ounces. The body serum is 1.7 fluid ounces. So not bad at all for $40, I personally think. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if I was coming too hard on the brand that you like, but I like the brand. I just think we need something for people that have really dry skin. That's it. That's it. So please let me know your thoughts. Please be kind in the comments, and I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye, guys.